My name is Erno Launa and I'm the CEO of Omena Hotels, and I believe it's fair to say that it was among the first ones that ever introduced a self-service hotel concept in actually the whole world. And today we're operating 10 hotels in 8 different cities around Finland. In total we have a bit more than 700 rooms, and the revenue is approx 10 million euros today. I think that definitely owes to the concept. So all of our hotels are based on self-service. So the customers, they do online check-in, they book through our own website or the OTA channels. We don't have receptions in the traditional meaning of it. So it's fully based on self-service at the end of the day. And all of our locations are very much in downtown, in the heart of the cities. We can be reached with public transportation, and it's smart segment, but comes with good quality. And so I think those would be the essential building blocks of the concept. We were really in a need of automation and automating the processes related to the revenue management and saving time, maximizing the revenue part.
My name is Nico Kaihua. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer at Omena Hotels. I've been with the company just over a year now, and previously I have used BEONx in my previous work, and I was very happy to hear that when I entered this company they were right in the middle of the onboarding and integration. So it was almost a seamless transition. From the revenue management perspective, the automation and the level of business intelligence that it brings to the daily life was miles ahead of, I would say, where we were without the tool. I would say the main value comes from just the level of visibility that we do get. Increased visibility among the segments. We really have an understanding of what is performing and where we can improve and where we should be focusing on. What BEONx does bring in, it allows us in real time to match the price correctly in the market, so that we can remain competitive. When it comes to the user interface, I think that's one of the biggest features that I have found with BEONx. How the data is displayed is customizable, and it works right from the revenue managers level all the way to the commercial directors, and even higher up for higher up reporting as well. One highlight with BEONx is the quality index that it provides. It really shows where we are in the market and whether our strategy is being achieved, and that works in real time. So if we are priced correctly compared to our competitors, and it takes into consideration also the quality and the output that we're producing. The automation perspective of it takes away a lot of the manual administration work, putting the data together, putting visuals together. All the nitty-gritty work gets taken over. It allows then the user to be a lot more strategic, try different things in the long run, really put the time and effort in the strategy rather than the day-to-day tweaking. For Omena Hotels, it really has transformed the day-to-day operations. I would say the whole business, how we outlook in general has changed. BEONx has been able to provide real insights across the company, from operations to the commercial side. I would say the one main benefit that BEONx has brought is superior forecasting capabilities, and it allows us to share the data both internally between operations and our commercial teams, as well as with our third-party partners, so that they can also plan ahead and resource accordingly. Definitely the big buzzword is AI. It does get used a lot, maybe too much. I do also see that we will be having a lot more automation, a level of artificial intelligence in the decision making, both in hand with the revenue manager themselves. So you have that human element, but assisted with enhanced tools, and the tools enhanced by artificial intelligence.
In the big picture, you might think of an RMS tool serving only the revenue management function of a company, but in our case, it really we have adopted pretty much for everybody, and then every division in the team, if you want. And so, for example, we use it for weekly reporting to the board members of the company. We use it for group sales. We use it for we share the information with our external partners, which again can plan their resourcing based on that info. So it really does a lot. Well, I think we could say that Omena Hotels the concept has also always been relying on smooth processes enabled by technology, and we will most likely stay on that track and enhance. And having BEONx, it really lays the foundation for us to become even more profitable, or say efficient, and for further scaling up. With BEONx, I think we bring another core element, serving the profitability and maximizing our RevPAR. So I think from that perspective, definitely technology will play even bigger role in the long run.